Hey everyone, hope everyone's doing well. This is Anish back at you. I am really happy that I finished week 5 successfully, which was an application called Voice Care, where the whole idea is for elderly people if they want to, let's say, contact their loved ones, but they don't feel really comfortable calling them. I built this AI service where they can essentially have a conversation with the application, and the application will try to figure out if it is something that has to be escalated to their family members, and will automatically make a call to the family members. So please check out my last video. Unfortunately, this is something I'm only able to show a demo because it involves too much of personal data from users, and so I don't feel really comfortable without understanding the implications of something like this and deploying to the App Store. But in my final video, I was able to basically achieve quite a few things. The last part where the call is going to be made, I wrote the code, but it's going to be using SNS at the end of the day. Unfortunately, AWS has some limits on being only in a sandbox while testing, and I'm trying to get it into production where calls are actually made. So that was week 5, everyone. It got done successfully, and I'm starting week 6, and I have a very exciting, ambitious project that I'm going to try, and I'm going to use Kiro, which I should thank some of the learners from the classes that I teach who swear by it, and I'm going to be using that to build a solution where, let's say, you wanted to ask a question like what is Kubernetes, right? So what I want to do is build a system where there is going to be, at the end of the day, a video that comes out, a 1-minute video that comes out, that will give you a bite-sized learning opportunity for what is Kubernetes. And I'm also trying to put myself as the teacher or the avatar as myself, and so that's a bunch of things that I had to think about. I think it's a feasible project, and I have a rough architecture in mind, but I'm going to be using Kiro because it can do all these testing with the agents and everything else, and so mostly I'm going to be using it to get the code. I know Kiro is in still development stage, but I'm going to use it to get the specs, and I'm going to use it to get the code, and then I'm just going to build my own system so that I'm not tied to Kiro in any way. So that's the plan, everyone, for this week. So this is week 6, and I hope everyone's excited to join me on that journey. And I'll see you all soon, and keep updating you in my channel on my progress every day and how I'm building this system. With that, I finally wanted to say, if you are a Cloud Institute learner and you're still having some issues with developing your digital portfolio, feel free to message me. I'm really happy to walk you through some of these projects that I have done, and you can make it your own. So with that, have a good rest of your day, everyone. Bye-bye.